Here at round two, we're putting focus into three areas: short-term and long-term retirement savings, debt solutions like credit repair and debt consolidation. Additionally, we offer financial planning and insurance protection for our clients. My vision for this business is to provide people like us the very much needed financial literacy and education that most of us miss out on, especially in the realm of personal finance and investing. Most folks simply just aren't aware of the three huge lies told to us. The first one, financial literacy is not that important. Number two, investing in your employee 401k plan is good enough. And the third lie told to consumers is that your home is your greatest investment. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go to your browser and type in www.round2finance.com. And right there on the homepage, you can put some time on our calendar and we'll do a completely complimentary, completely free financial needs analysis. At Round 2, we believe in transparency, integrity, and most importantly, we believe in people. We don't believe anyone should ever throw in the towel. So together, let's make every round count.